In August 2024, we were in Badrinath with 225 people, and people were there to visit KedarNath. They had the wish to visit KedarNath. they were in Badrinath, but they had the wish to visit KedarNath also. होता है ना कि यहाँ आए तो यहाँ भी घुमाए पास में. What unfortunately, landslide happened. It was also the monsoon period. A landslide happened, and the way between Sonprayag and Gaurikund. The Gaurikund is the place from where Kedarnath begins. The trek for Kedarnath begins. So the way between Sonprayag and Gaurikund got blocked because of landslide, and people had planned to go to Kedarnath. They had to cancel their plan, and it was the inner wish of many people, so many people, to visit Kedarnath. So my father sent me and my Lakshman to Kedarnath and Dhruvinarayan in October last year. We visited there, and we visited Devansh and Kedarnath with the purpose that we would have arrangement for Sri Shiv Mahapuran Katha in Devansh. Trigunath, do you know Trigunath? What it is? What is the significance of that place? The marriage, the wedding ceremony of Lord Shiva and Parvati took place there. So we went there for the arrangement purpose of Shiv Mahapuran Katha, that we would arrange Shiv Mahapuran Katha on the soil of Trigunath. But me and my younger brother went there, and we see all the things, we observed all the things, and we went on the conclusion that arrangement of 200 people cannot be done here. Trigunath is just a small town. We cannot arrange so many facilities on here. So we concluded, and we went to Kedarnath. And after returning from Kedarnath, we gave a very conclusive statement to our father that it is very risky to take 200 people to Kedarnath, especially in monsoon. And we would not recommend, we both would not recommend you to take 200 people to Kedarnath in monsoon for this purpose. But my father is my father.
And my father is my father.
My father is my father. He is very stubborn. He is very jiddi, just like me. So he decided, no, we will take, you just arrange. You two are my son, and you have the capability to arrange the facilities for 200 people. We would take 200 people to Kedarnath. Okay. We got the order from Dasratji. Now we have to arrange all these things. So we started, searching options, brainstorming around Uttarakhand from 12,000 feet. 12,000. Kedarnath is surrounded by glaciers from three sides. It is very cold in Kedarnath. And it is at very high altitude. You have to trek for 20 kilometers to reach there. So Katha is not possible at that height, at that place. So we brainstormed, and we got on the conclusion that in Gangotri is a safe place, and we can arrange a Katha in Gangotri itself. So we decided that we will arrange Katha in Gangotri. It is the origin of Ma Ganga, so it is a sacred place. Bhagirathi did tapasya there. It is the place of Lord Shiva, pilgrimage of Lord Shiva, and on return we will have darsana of Kedarnath. So it was great, but we went there, something happened, and we rearranged it in Kasi, and then we went to Kedarnath. So it is like that. So it is the background behind this journey.
So I noticed that some little bit thing about the you go in the south for the Shivji, and also in the north the Shivji. So I found out one thing, you are very near to the Shivji. How did you find the Shivji near you? East.
I was not because what should I say? I visited many pilgrimages, and we actually belong to Sab Parampara. We have 12 Jyotirling. I visited Amarnath also 4 times in very young age. When my younger brother used to drink milk from bottle, at that time we visited Amarnath. Amarnath is one of the very difficult ones. When we talk about pilgrimage on Indian soil, Amarnath is one of it is very difficult one, and we visited there 4 times just because of Lord Shiva. So it is we got interest. Sibji become our East Dev just because of this pilgrimage.
Also your father, I can
Yeah.
see that because of father you can find the ship. Like
Yeah.
I found Ma because of my father.
Yeah.
He is a very devoted Ma. So can you and sir, और क्या पूछना है?
I got the chance to stay on the what would you call Banaras? Banaras is the home of Lord Shiva.
Yes.
Lord Shiva decided to stay their time post marriage in Kasi only. Means when they married to Parvati ji, he decided to stay most of after Kailash Parvat. He was at Kailash Parvat, but after marriage because Kailash Parvat was not suitable for Parvati ji to stay on. Parvati ji was a princess. He was a child of a king. She was a princess. So Kailash Parvat's climate was not suitable for Parvati ji. So Shivji decided to stay in Banaras. So Banaras was the home for Shivji for so long. Right? Banaras was the home for me. For me also for 2 years. I am the student of PhD, so I got the chance to stay in Banaras.